man. I'm telling you, man. I'm a fan now. I need a GoPro. I need a GoPro. Drive with a smile on my face now, man, because of the crackles. Not just because of the crackles, because I'm in a manual. I'm gonna tell you something, man. I had a smile on my face for a very long time in the Charger too, because I still love that platform. I'm gonna let you know, man, I still love that platform. I get a chance, or if I'm able to. No, you weren't supposed to do that. Just got cut off in the roundabout. But the noises this car makes, the snap, crackle, and pops, man. Woo. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I wasn't a fan of the snap, crackle, and pops on cars at first. Strictly from videos that I watch. Of course, when you hear it in person, it's a different story. And if it's too loud, you know, it can be too much sometimes. But this car is not too loud. Actually, I actually feel like it's not loud enough. I done crossed over to the dark side, man. I done crossed over. That's all it is to it. I'm a snap, crackle, and pop fan. I know it wasn't much, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you can hear the snap, crackle, and pops, man. With that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, and browse, man. Holla at your boy, man. You already know how I do it. As you were.